Ever dropped your phone into the toilet, sink, or pool? Or maybe it got soaked in the rain.
If so, you probably noticed that frustrating muffled sound coming from your speakers making calls, music, and videos sound terrible.
But don't worry, there's an easy and effective fix that doesn't involve waiting for hours or stuffing your phone in rice.
If so, have you got to return the sink cork or maybe it got soaked in the rain? If so, you've probably noticed that frustrating muffled.
We couldn't find results for audio test software.
You go to Google and type in Fix Mobile Speaker and search.
Log in to the site called Fix My Speaker.
Go to Take Tests and you click there.
There will also be noise and vibration for a while.
This removes dust and water vapor from your phone.
If you want to see more videos like this, like us, share us. Goodbye everyone.